How to delete Ablo account. So if you want to delete or deactivate Ablo account permanently, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Ablo application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, now you can go with login, and then you need to log into your account at first. Go with agree. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with me, which is on the bottom right, and from here you can go with the top right, which has that settings. And from the settings, you need to go with the account cancellation option. And from here, you can go and select a reason why you would like to cancel your account. So I'll just simply go with low user quality or others, and then tap on submit and tap on confirm. Your account information will be cleared and you cannot log in. So tap on confirm and your account will be deleted. Tap on OK. That's it. That's how you can delete or deactivate your Ablo account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.